Welcome back. Today I'm gonna make summer dessert. I love fruit, and so anything that involves, any type of fruit, I always jump to it and I wanna make that. So this is no exception. This is not a recipe that I found, randomly on the internet. This is actually from a cookbook written by Jamie Oliver, who is a famous British chef. It's very simple fruit cobbler, but it has a secret ingredient that I think makes this dessert different from all the other cobblers. So without further ado, let's go right at it. Balsamic vinegar originated in Modena, Italy in the 11th century. It is made from white grapes. Originally it was used as disinfectant, but now it's obviously used in the kitchen. It contains strains of probiotic bacteria. And that's Jamie Oliver fruit cobbler. I hope I gave you inspiration to make this very simple dessert. I promise you won't be disappointed. If you enjoy this and you like to follow my recipes, please click the subscribe button below, send it to your friends so they can subscribe as well. I will see you next time.